Now you're going to be wondering what else is there. And I don't know if you've seen the previous drone tip. Don't miss it. There is a playlist with all of them. 2 minutes, around 2 minutes, so you can get a lot of or all of them done and add into your toolkit. But the best one is as adding to the light, and the best time to shoot during the day is look for shadows. Look for the point that your drone goes up or goes straight down, and look how the shadows are playing with landscape. What do you mean? You might see something completely unique that you're not going to see from the ground, and a lot of those times shadows just create around it, especially when you have the sun up. This is a huge impact because, especially when you're at the sunrise or right at the sunset, that stretch so damn far and across the landscape. So you can get details, you can get an effect that it's, in no other way you would have been able to do so. Now, this is not as, pronounced that I was hoping for, but you can clearly see that this much of a shade is over there, and I wanna give you a feeling by showcasing what it is when you're filming that. Now, another point of that would be, let me see, like you can clearly see the shade behind this one, but imagine have a line of trees over there, or those nice hills with the stone walls built right into them. Same again here. You have the shade of, I mean, it adds depth, it adds detail without having to do something extra, or you just have to find the way to showcase it. I mean, the trees over here, you can go above them. You can find an angle that showcases them a bit different. There are a lot of ways to implement that, but you do need to be paying attention and looking out for the line of sight. Now, this is not as late in the afternoon because we were actually going to, but again, there it is. There it is. This is I mean, it adds something, it wasn't there before, and it's very important to always be looking out for that. Is it easy to do so? Yes. Just add it into your toolkit. I know again, it's not rocket science, but at the same time, you get something for free that you can use in its adventure. Did you know this? Are you using this? If not, will you? And what's your drone tip of the day? Do let me know so we can maybe add it in the next one. Cheers, mate. Until the next one. Kisses.